If you want to share contact card from your Android phone to iPhone using Google, here's how to do that and watch it till the end because I'll give you a very valuable tip. So first of all, on your Android phone, make sure that you're logged in into your Google account. To do that, open up your settings, scroll down to Google, and make sure that you're logged in. If you're not, do that. After that, let's open up our Contacts application and choose the contact which we want to share. For example, I want to share this contact. So hold your finger on it, choose it, and let's tap on the share icon right here. After that, choose a comfortable method to share it. You can do this through mail, through email, through messages, through Google Drive, through WhatsApp. However, I'll go with the mail. So choose Gmail. Here's your contact card. Now enter the Gmail on your iPhone and press send. Great. The Gmail was sent. Now let's wait until we're gonna receive it on our iPhone. So there we are, the message is received. Now let's simply open it up and tap on our contact. There we are. Now we have message, mobile number, the namings. Basically, we have the contact. We can save it to files or simply press done and it would be saved. And basically, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.